This is a tutorial how to solve a cube, mainly for my friend Delroy Raven. So I'm using cstimer.net, as you can see on the screen. So you just do the scrambled. Well, it's completely free. It doesn't charge you anything, so and anybody can use it. So you just do the scramble that it shows you. Well, if you don't even know what these moves are, just look at another video. I've showed how to do the finger tricks here and the moves. So inspection time. So you see how there's a line on the cross, and this here. Here, that's a free cross piece, and this is an F2L piece. So you're basically very lucky. Then in another part, then you have to look for the other one, which is here. So you could do YouTube before you do. So before we start, I'm just going to do a quick solve. Sorry for the bad turning. I know it's very slow. It's trash. Oh, free F2L play. Nice. How? I did the case though. What? The timer hasn't even started. Okay, never mind. So let's just continue with the video, and so let's just do the scramble. So yeah, so we've already talked about it. So first, you want to learn about making the cross. So if you look on the beginner method, it shows that you need to make the daisy. But if you want to be fast, you can make the cross. So you see, so I don't know. This is a cross piece because it has white and it's already on white. See how blue and green need to swap? So you could do that by doing like a D move. So you just need to do a D move at the start. So then you've got your two cross pieces done, and you find another cross piece like here. It's already connected, so you just put it in, and you've got your whole cross except for one piece. You look for that piece. If it's stuck, use the right hand algorithm to remove it and put it in by doing M prime U prime M. So then you want to do corners. So for the corners, you need to do so you find a corner that has white on it. Is the corner facing up? So if the corner is facing up, you would need to do right hand algorithm 3 times. So and the corner's in. You do that for the other ones. This one is also facing up, so and you need to know, so except for the white, there are red and blue. So you put it in between red and blue, then do it. Oh, sorry. No. So red and green, you just do that same thing. Right hand algorithm 3 times. Oh well, I'm confused with this because I don't normally use. So if a corner is stuck on the white face, you just remove it using right hand algorithm, and it's ready. If it's facing to your right, that means you can do right hand algorithm. But if it's facing you, you have to do right hand algorithm 5 times, and this will test how fast you can do right hand algorithm. Yeah, okay, sorry about that trash speed. So edges. So you need to find an edge that does not have yellow like this one. You make it to match its color. So the other color on top is red. Is it on the left or right? It's on the left. So you move it, so make sure that you're facing the red, and move that piece to the back. Then you do sledgehammer, then right hand algorithm. I'll teach you those later. Make sure you watch my finger tricks and easy algorithms video before you watch this. So this edge, you do the same thing. You match its color. So you have red on the front, which is the same color. So you do, so blue is on your left. So you take it to the back and do left sledgehammer, and you've got your first two F2 office. So now you have this one. So keep it to the side. Green is on your left, so you take it to the back. Take it to the back and do left hand sledgehammer and left hand algorithm. So then if you have a flipped edge, you do sledgehammer right, then you do up, so up, push it, down, push again. So then now it's there. Then you rotate the cube so that the white is facing you, and wherever the piece is, you do left hand algorithm, you push it so that it's on your left, and do left hand algorithm. I think that might be too confusing, so I'll make another video about it. So yeah, so you've done your first 2 layers. Then if you have a line on the top, you do F, so you turn the front clockwise, right hand algorithm, and turn the front anti-clockwise. Well, if you have this case like that, you put it on the top left and you do F, right hand algorithm, F. You've got so you do F right hand algorithm twice and F prime. Then now you've got your cross. Now, so if you have two cross pieces that are matching, make sure that one is on the back and one is on your right. Then do this algorithm. So push up, then you just do the same thing going down. Push down, push down. Now you should wait, what? Yeah, so wait. No, sorry. No, don't do that. I forgot what I was doing. Just do up, take it away, down, take it to the back, up, bring it right back. And now try to align it, and all of your cross pieces will be done. So you can thank me in chat. Well, this is your last step. So all you need to do is check for corner. If it's in the right spot. So pretend the yellow was not there. Are there any other colors? So orange and green. Is it in between orange and green? No, it isn't. You look for another one and check if they're in between the colors that they have, except for yellow. None of them are correct. So if none of them are correct, you push the one I showed you earlier is missing. Push up, push up, push down, push down. No, they are not. Now, solve. You ever solved one which I've made here? Put it on the front right and do the same thing. thing. So then now you must have every, and if it's still not done, do the same thing again. So now you should be proud of yourself. You're on the very last step to finish it. So now, your edges and some of the corners are soft. You turn the cube upside down. And make sure that the corner that is twisted, make sure you don't twist the corner. Do not, 'cause that's actually cheating. I knew that I could just do that now, but don't do that. That's bad. So you just do right hand algorithm until the yellow sticker is facing down. So now it's facing down, and you need to move your cube to the other way. Don't rotate your cube, or you're going to mess the whole thing up. So move the down layer. So down layer. This one is twisted. So you do the same thing until that yellow stickers facing down. And you've done the last you finally solved your first cube. Okay, but make sure that you watch my finger tricks video and the moves, how to do the moves. So later on, so you can thank me in the chat. First one to write. First one to ask me to do. So anybody, so just write a random number and I'll do that many solves. But it cannot be over 100. I cannot, no, it cannot be over 50. I don't have time for that. So 50 or under. 1 to 50. So